I dance, make it hurt.
My experience with today's activity, I can start by talking of the level of organization. It's been well organized, the preparation was well good, digging took place in time, fairing of seedlings, and teamwork is prevailing.
Today's activity, we have managed to grow 40,000 seedlings of mangrove, which is a plus to the county target of growing 298 million seedlings by 2030, boosting the government agenda.
Katika mazingira yetu ilikuwa mabaya, na kwa upanzi wetu wa miti, kwa kazi yetu, shughuli yetu ya leo ambayo tumefanya kazi nzuri kwa sababu tumelinda mazingira yetu. Na hiyo mazingira tunapoilinda ndio pia tunaona pia hewa yetu inakuwa nzuri.
My expectations are really vast. A bag full of expectations. I expect that we can fill up the gaps, that is enrichment. For those areas that will require direct planting within the stipulated time, I anticipate that we plant everything, fill in the gaps, and start the process of healing and rehabilitation, and then recovery to full restoration.
Now that we are combating climate change, mangrove, some of the trees that are highly recommended to combat climate change, being that they sequester more carbon from the atmosphere, and also being that mangrove is a fish breeding ground, and as we know that the community that lives next to the mangrove areas are fishermen. So we are boosting the fisheries and also making sure that food in terms of fish is found within the area.
Nashukuru kwa sababu ya maisha ya baadaye, kama miaka 4-5 hivi kutakuwa pia mazingira yake yatakuwa imebadilika, na kutakuwa pengine tumetarajia mazao fulani katika na mambo na tuseme mambo na mvua ama vyovyote vile ambavyo vinaweza kuwa vinasaidia jamii, tunaona tunaweza pata.
The community, I know, have a lot to expect, and of course they'll derive satisfaction in that. And again, for the mangrove forest, I expect that it will come back to life and roll back to life if fully restored.
The advice that we have for the communities that mangrove is only found at the coast, and they should guard it jealously, being that they live near it. They are able to gain more benefits from it.
Na kuwe na ulinzi mema kama askari, yani kuwe na ulinzi ambao ndio askari ambao ile siharibiwe. Unapopanda mti, unapokata mti mmoja, utakana upande kama 10. Ili ile ambayo umetoa iwe zaidi ile umepata. Ili unapopanda itakuwa pia inasaidia ile mazingira kwa mazuri.
On my behalf and the Furaha Baraka team, we need to come back and monitor, come back and fill the gaps, probably look at monitor the survival, make sure that it meets the threshold, and then report on it to achieve our goals of restoration.
To I&M is a noble idea to having accepted to work with the community to ensure that we grow the mangrove and to improve on the livelihood, being that there are so many benefits that today's action will be felt in the near future.
It is important that we appreciate the partnership that we have, the community, and then the community experts, those that we are working with.
Wafadhili wetu ambao mnaendelea kuwa na kazi ama mnaendelea pamoja na nyinyi, mimi kwangu ni kushukuru kwa sababu ya kazi njema ambayo mnafanya. Muendelee na moyo huo ambao utakuwa pamoja nasi. Maana sisi peke yetu kufanya kazi kama hii hatuwezi kama hamtatushika mkono.